Hello. Hi, Brian.
Hi, Martin. Hi.
Let's do some fun science today.
Sounds good. Let's try it.
What do we need?
We need some cooking oil, a glass,
Glass.
some bath bombs,
Wow.
and we'll need some water. Remember to ask your parents.
If it's okay, before you start, what do we do?
First, you take the glass, pour in the oil.
Now what?
Now, pour the water.
Oil, water. What next?
Next, we put in the bath bomb.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. What do you think will happen?
I know. Explosion.
No! Now, watch.
Okay. Cool.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And leave a comment below if you liked our video. See you later.
Goodbye.